Hi, I'm Christine Dunbar with SpeechModification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll practice making clear and reduced vowel sounds in words. Want to sound American? You can do it. SpeechModification.com. In this video, we'll practice making clear and reduced vowel sounds in words. I'll be saying two words where part of the word has the same spelling in each word. The first word will have the clear, stressed vowel, and the second word will show you how that vowel sounds when it is reduced and unstressed. You can see the stressed vowel is held longer and the reduced vowel is shorter. Let's try it. At, attend. Office, official. Man, woman. Project, projection. Add, addition. Sun, reason. Face, surface. App, approximate. Be, before. To, today. To join our live classes, subscribe. Find more information on SpeechModification.com. Get a free trial of our online courses, or work with me one-on-one.